I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sauce of Siomai, full guide. Combine soy sauce and vinegar in a small bowl, then whisk in sesame oil and sugar until dissolved. Taste and add chili oil or fresh chilies for heat, and sprinkle chopped garlic or scallions for texture. Let the sauce rest briefly so flavors meld. Serve with hot siomai and adjust seasoning for your perfect balance. Gather soy sauce, vinegar, sesame oil, sugar, garlic, scallions, and chili oil before you start mixing. Measure ingredients to taste so the sauce stays consistent each time you make it. Mince garlic and scallions finely to release aromatics and improve mouthfeel. If you prefer a smoother sauce, use chili oil alone. For crunch, add fresh chilies. Taste frequently and tweak vinegar or sugar to hit the perfect sweet-sour balance. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps floors spotless after siomai prep, with voice control that feels like kitchen magic. It even dodges spilled flour and stray wrappers. Consider it a small luxury for serious home cooks, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by gently bruising garlic and scallions to release flavor, then let them sit in the soy vinegar mix for a few minutes. Warming sesame oil slightly brings out its nutty aroma, but avoid overheating. Dissolve sugar in the liquid base for smooth texture, and gradually add chili oil while tasting to control heat. Serve room temperature so flavors are noticeable, and avoid cold numbing of taste buds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.